Welcome back to Ice Punch. Today we will present how to create your very own soap for your bathroom or kitchen, which is great. So let's don't lose time and start right now. First of all, you need stearin candles. These are almost every time the cheapest at the store. Then, you need iron steam water or rainwater, round about 300 milliliters. And you need soda. Now we produce our soap. First of all, we put the candles into an old, unimportant pot. Melt the candles in the pot on a low heat. Now, get another pot and fill it with the water and soda. Heat it as well, but do not boil it. Stir, if necessary, and if the soda is gone, you can drop the stearin pot's content into the soda water. Immediately, some soap appears. You can decorate it with colors or nice bath salts. And here you are, that's your soap. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, or a spider will go into your mouth this night, haha. Bye then.